Hey guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. This is Shrija over here, and in today's video we're gonna see how to put your WordPress site in maintenance mode. So when do you put your WordPress site in maintenance mode? This is when you're making some changes to your site, or you want to reconstruct your site. You would put it in maintenance mode. So we'll go into the video and see in detailed way. So before going into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. Now let's get into the video. Now this is your WordPress dashboard. So in order to put your WordPress website in maintenance mode, we need to follow two steps. So our step number one will be installing maintenance plugin. So to install the maintenance plugin, in the left side column, go to the plugins and click on add new plugin, and then it would take you to this page. And now search for CMP plugin. So here you go with this CMP plugin and click on install CMP, and once it gets installed you can click on the activate button to activate the CMP plugin. So now we are done with the step number one, installing our maintenance plugin. Now we need to go to the CMP settings. This will be our step number two, that is creating a maintenance page. So now in order to put your website in maintenance mode, firstly we need to enable this CMP, and now you get this two options, that is whether you want to put your whole website under maintenance mode or only your home page. So it will be completely depending upon your needs. So I want my whole website to be under maintenance, and then you can click on maintenance mode, and then you can click on save all changes, and before that save all changes. Now you can go check this available themes for your maintenance website. So if you want to check how it actually looks like, you can click on preview, and this is how it looks like. So here it gives you timer so that your visitors would be able to know when you will be back. So this is how it looks like. So now we'll uh, activate this theme. So activating this, and then click on save all changes. So now you get this theme as your active theme, and then we are done with this. Now in order to customize your content on the maintenance page, you can go with the content button over here, and you can click the logo different logo setup. So you can use the text logo, or you can choose the graphic logo, that is you can select the logo from your PC or your device. You can upload it over here so that you would get this graphic logo, and I'll just go with the text logo. And then main content, this is the heading, and if you want to change this you can change it, and I would change it as site under construction. And now you can even add your additional details or message to your visitors, that uh, which which tells them more appropriately about why your page is under maintenance. You can do it by typing the content over here under the message, like So you can give some message like this, which your visitor would get appropriately about your what's happening to your site. You can even extend this even more to be more precise. And then so next we can see how can you change your background. So it is the default media, so you can change it by clicking on the custom images. Click on media library. You can upload your media over here in order to change the background, and you can change the color as well, and click on save changes. And then you can see this countdown timer setup. So till when you need to give this date input to the set the timer. So you can give your time till when the page will be under maintenance, so that the countdown would be shown in the timer. And then so now you can see here CMP subscribe form. This is that when the page is in the maintenance mode, your visitors would be able to mention their email IDs. Then you can just get them. I'll just show you how does this look like in the preview one. So when your visitor would insert their email ID over here and click on the submit button, you would get the email IDs of them, and you can just remind them through email when your website is back live. So when they enter the email ID, where would you get this? So in order to get this, you can click on the CMP subscribers, and here you would get the email address of the person, and the first name, last name, and the time, and the IP address would be mentioned over here. And if what if you want to put your specific page on maintenance mode? So when you want to put your specific page on maintenance mode, just click on CMP settings, and then go to the advanced settings, and here click on page whitelist. And when you click over here, you just find many options which you want to put under maintenance mode. If I want to put this contact page under maintenance mode, and click on save all changes, so then your contact page will be under the maintenance mode. So now how to get back to your page live, like how can you change this maintenance mode to the normal mode again? Just you can see this option in the top right corner. So click on off, maintenance mode off. Now your page will be directly to the normal form, that is like how it used it to be. The maintenance mode is off again, and whenever again in the future if you want to keep your page under maintenance mode, you can just click on, and then your page will be again in the maintenance mode. So this is all for this video, guys. If you found this video useful, please do like, share and subscribe to BC Tips Pro. And thank you for watching, guys.